Hi, welcome to the last video notes for 4.2. And you might think, well, we've graphed them in Vertex form, we've graphed them in Intercept form, what could you possibly have to tell us? Well, this is what I have to tell you. We need to review FOIL. And I know we've mentioned this before, and you've got your first terms, you multiply your outside terms, you multiply your inner terms, and you multiply your last terms. And look, it makes you happy. Eyes, nose, smile, get it? Okay, so this should not be new to any of you. You should have hit on FOIL quite a bit in Algebra 1. But instead of thinking, I know it, we'll move on, I am going to go over it with you. So we have two examples that I want to do. Now, you might say, well, what does FOIL have to do with this? Well, notice, which form is this? Is this standard, Vertex, or Intercept? Oh yeah, this is the Intercept form. And sometimes we might want to get it into standard form. And to do that, here's your big hint. You are going to, oh, and I have a bad blue marker. We are going to FOIL. Okay, let's throw that out. Bad marker, bad marker. Okay, so we're going to FOIL first. So you're going to say first terms, x times x. Oh, here, let's put the 3 out. What is x times x? X squared, very good. Outer terms, x times a positive 6 plus 6x. Let's do the inside terms. Negative 4 times x, negative 4x. And let's do the last terms. Negative 4 times 6, negative 24. What do you think the biggest mistake people make when they FOIL? I bet you're saying it. They mess up their signs because they don't pay attention. I'm back. I wanted a better blue marker. So be really careful with your signs. Now, in this list of numbers, are there any that you could combine? Any that are like terms? Yes. This one and this one are like terms. So let's rewrite it. X squared, positive 6 minus 4, 2x, and we still have our minus 24. Now, what does it mean to have a number out in front? Oh yeah, distribute. So we get 3x squared. We get 3 times 2, which is 6x. And we get 3 times negative 24, and that is negative 72. And you're done. That's all you had to do for that, okay? So it's in standard form, and away we go. Let's try one more. This time, what form is this starting out? Yeah, this one is Vertex form, but all we're going to do is FOIL. Now, I don't even see two things to FOIL. Oh, the squared, something with the squared, you're right. Because when we say x minus 3 quantity squared, we're saying take this, take x minus 3 and multiply it times itself. So here's where the FOIL comes in at. We still have our 2, don't drop anything off, okay? So x times x is x squared. Outer terms, x times negative 3, you get negative 3x. Inner terms, negative 3 times x, negative 3x. And last terms, careful, careful, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Do I need to be writing anything else down? Oh yes, Mrs. Roth, the plus 9 needs to come along, okay? So now, let's combine like terms. Any like terms here? Why, yes, sirree, there are. This one, and you get negative 6x. Okay, now, what do you think you should do first? Add or do the multiply? Yes, you'd want to multiply according to order of operations, and we need to distribute that out. So 2x squared minus 12x plus 18 plus 9. Okay? And we get, oh, any like terms here? The 18 and the 9, so we get 2x squared minus 12x plus 27. And that's all we're going to be practicing on. Okay? Hope it goes well for you. Bye.